listed Gaza's ally, Comrade Knox, alleges that VP Chiwenga has just survived in an arms trap along Djibouti to Northern Highway. The plan was supposed to incriminate him for a coup charges, but insiders operatives foiled it. This caused the firing of the CIO director, he alleges. Izarapida pashuka nokuda panguva ino achitaurwa naNoxvero achiti the firing yakaitwa yaCIO director iri linked power struggles ari between the president na VP Kosano Chiwenga. Uchinokwa kunzi VP Kosano Chiwenga vanosurvivor in attack yakachita kuuya panguva ino vachinzi VP Kosano Chiwenga pane maplans avari kuita a coup against the Zimbabwean leader. No subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tena mashuko Anox in his last address Mudonyi Kwamchinze, a truck was searched by CIO intended to be apprehended over arms possession to be accused of VP Chiwenga, who was supposed to be arrested. But because the truck was found empty near Norton, Naga was unhappy about it. The plot was meant to claim down VP Chiwenga. This week, Mnangagwa sent officers to search for weapons at VP Chiwenga's wife and former ZVAITWA secretary for admin Obetembo's farm. Fellow Zimbabweans, like I said, the level of desperation has reached dangerous levels, says Chiwenga. Don't developments are ripo, Chinokwa kunzi Iowa Canada are desperate. Panguva ino is they are trying to claim down VP Kosano Chiwenga. Panguva ino tona kuti again, Bana Jonathan Moyo, Chona and Mama leaked conversations are ruda pachena, kuti they want ku ita revenge against VP Kosano Chiwenga. Patuna kuti vanakaita sana Jonathan Moyo, these are some of the people vakatandaniswa muna 2017 and panguva ino vakuda kuuya vachiita revenge una VP Kosano Chiwenga kuti vakambomutandanisawo nawo havachadi kuti asucceed mutungamiri wenyika and vakuda kumutandanisa kumufire from the vice president nekutomuklemba down kuti kana ari kutobuda munyika yeZimbabwe ngaarwe pasi. Kana section medu dzafungura enyi muri kudika pamusoro pechiriko ichi, musasubscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.